Today we're going to learn how to use OneDrive. OneDrive is a storage area that is associated with your Office 365 account. Everybody at our school and in our district has an Office 365 account. That includes all staff and all students. To get to it, you would go to login.microsoftonline.com. If you have a laptop or a desktop, you'll see an icon on your desktop right here that says sign into your account. This will also get you to your Office 365 account. The way I have my Office 365 account set up is that when I log in, I'm directly in my email. Yours may or may not be set up the same way. If I click on this waffle on the left, which is the 9 squares, I can see a list of all apps or applications that are available to me in my Office 365 account. Outlook is our email application, and OneDrive is our storage. We also have Word and Excel and PowerPoint and all these other applications, which I'm not going to talk about today, but they are available to you. So you click on OneDrive, and it's going to bring me into my OneDrive area. You can see I have folders set up, and I have files. Many of you may be storing your files and folders on what's called the U drive or user drive. Everybody, again, at our school and district has a user drive or a U drive. But that U drive is only available at school because it exists on our school computer network. The great thing about OneDrive is it's available to you from anywhere at any time. So you can get to it from a phone or a tablet or a computer. You can get to it whether you're in school or out of school, out of state, out of the country. It doesn't matter. The only thing you need to get to your OneDrive is a network connection, because OneDrive is located on the network. It's what's called cloud storage. So if you want to create some new folders in your OneDrive area, you would click on this new. And you have the option of creating a new folder or creating any of these types of documents or links. Again, I'm not going to go over these today. That will be for another tutorial. But let's create a new folder. I'll click on folder and it's going to ask me the name. So let's say I call it March 2018. And I hit create. When you're in your OneDrive, you have to keep in mind that special characters like dashes or backslashes can't be used in file names, so keep your file names pretty simple. If I scroll down to March, I'll see March 2018. This little blue symbol here is telling me that this is something I recently added to my OneDrive. If I click on it, I will now be inside the folder and I can add files to it. There's 2 ways to do that. I can create a new one, as I said. Click on new and you can create any of these files, or I can upload an existing file. This is going to be important when you start transitioning your files and folders from your U drive to your OneDrive. So I'm going to show you how to upload a file. You can do folders or files, and when you click files, you can do multiple files or you can do just one at a time. So we need to tell it where the files are that we want to move. Here's my U drive. It's my username, CLen, and you'll see the U after it. That's how I know it's my U drive. I click it, and now I'm going to see all of the folders and files that are in my U drive. I'm going to click on this Logos and Mascot folder, and then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on this letterhead footer file and click open. That file has now been copied into my OneDrive, and now I can get to it anytime from anywhere. My suggestion to you is, if you're storing your folders and files on your U drive or on a computer anywhere else, I would start by creating anything new in your OneDrive. So if you need a new file or you need a new folder, create it here in OneDrive. In this way, you'll get used to using OneDrive. Once you're used to it, then you can start uploading your existing files and folders. I wouldn't suggest uploading all of your files and folders at the same time. It can be overwhelming, but it can also take a long time. So I would do a little bit at a time. And that is the tutorial on OneDrive. If you have any questions about it or you would like more information or a personal tutorial, feel free to let me, Christina, know, or Jeff. Thanks for listening.